Okay, this video is going to show you how to edit an existing activity. Let's say you like one of the activities that you find in the community, but you just want to tweak it or change it a little bit. I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to go to Browse Activity Library. We're in the community because we're going to find one that's already done that we want to just tweak. So I'm going to go to 3rd grade English language learners. I might type in nouns. So this is my search. Okay, so let's go to nouns and verbs. I'm going to click on this one. Okay, so basically this is the activity. The first thing you're going to want to do is make it your own. So to do that, you're going to click the heart. Once you click the heart, it goes into your library. From there, you're going to click on it, go to the 3 dots, copy and edit activity. So right now it still belongs to this teacher. You can't edit it if it belongs to that teacher. There is no way to edit it until you make a copy of it first. It's going to put it then in your... So basically, we're going to leave the title the same. We'll leave this the same. Let's say that I want to take this part out. So I'm just going to delete it. And I mean, there may be other things. Let's say that I want to add a bullet and just say, please explain your thinking. And this would probably need to go, it would probably need to go before tap check to submit your work. So let me just take that out. Okay. And then this needs to be number 6, of course. Okay, so here I've made my changes. Now, let's pretend like I wanted to read this because this is an English language learner activity. So maybe I want to read it and add my voice. I'm just going to click Add Voice. Click here to begin. Boys and girls, this activity is called Nouns and Verbs. A noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. A verb is an action word or something you can do. And you could continue to read it. When you're finished, you're just going to push that. It's processing it. I mean, I would go ahead and read it word for word to them, especially for your younger kids or your English language learners that need the help, the support. You can listen to it to see if you like it. If you like it, you can keep it. So let's go ahead and click Save. And now you can see it looks like it's mine. It looks like I created this, which I didn't. I just edited it. But it's ready to assign to your class now. So I'm going to click Assign, and I'm going to send it to my demo class. I don't know if I'm on my demo class or demo seesaw class. So I'm going to assign it to both classes. And then I can go ahead and X out of it, go back to my class, go into activities, just make sure it's there. Okay, so now whenever the student adds the response, which I'm going to go in as a sample student, then you can see this is the template that I was telling you about, and the teacher created this template or copied it from somewhere. Here's your instructions, and if they play this, it's going to actually be my voice. So that is how you can edit. One other thing that's important to know about editing activities is that when you're reading this, you can see that this is not what shows up whenever the students actually read it. These are codes that have shortcuts. So if you'll notice, there's a colon, a word, and a colon, a word, and a colon. The PDF to that, you can search for it, and I'll also link it on my page, but this is where that comes from. So let's say that you wanted the students to use the drawing tool to draw a picture of something. When in your activity directions, you're going to have to put the code :drawing:. So let me go back to my instructions. So let's pretend right here that I'm going to insert number 3, and I'm going to say use remember the drawing tool or the pencil. If you want it to show up pencil, you're going to say drawing, and if you just put draw, it won't work. To write each word. Whoops. Okay, and of course you would have to go in and change this to 4, but you understand. And I wish there was a way to bullet this, but they don't have that yet. So anyway, then whenever you click save, just very quickly, I wanted to show you what it looks like. So right here, it says read the poem and look for nouns and verbs. Use the drawing tool to write each word. So you can kind of see this is the sentence that I added for number 3, where I wrote the word drawing with colons on the either side of it, changed it into this. Now, if your students are old enough that they're readers, I'm not sure that you need these emblems, these icons, but if you have younger students or students that need help maybe finding their way around Seesaw, if it's brand new to them, this is a great way to do that. And again, this document has all of the Seesaw shortcuts, anything that you would want to put that they have a shortcut for, it's in this document. So I just wanted to add that for when you start editing.